nest. Simple living with DIY projects and delicious dishes. It is the end of May, so wedding season is upon us. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these little flower balls. You can use them as centerpieces. You can also attach a ribbon at the end, and these are great for your bridesmaids as they can hold them. They're so easy, they're customizable, and they're cheap to make. You can make all different colors. I'm going to be showing you both ways how to make the centerpiece one and how to add the little ribbon on the very end if you want to use them to hang on stuff. You'll need one of these foam balls. I got a 2-pack for $5 at Hobby Lobby, and you could probably use a 40% off coupon on these. You'll want some fake flowers. You can get any type of fake flowers you want, but the thing you want to look for is the type of flowers that you can pull off the stem so they kind of have that. Because you're going to be pushing this little part into the ball like that. You'll also need a glue gun because we are going to be putting a dab of hot glue and sticking that into the ball so we can make sure that it stays and none of the flowers fall out. Alright guys, let's get to it so I can show you how to make these super easy flower balls. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and press that little bell right next to it so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. You want to begin by removing all the flowers from the stems. Now the first project I'm going to show you is how to make the flower ball centerpiece. Once you have removed all the flowers from their stems, bring out your foam ball and your hot glue gun. You are going to place a dab of hot glue on the very end of your flower there and push the flower into the foam ball. Now for the flower ball centerpiece, we're going to continue pushing all the flowers into the foam ball until it is almost covered, but we want to leave a little area that is not covered, as this allows for the flower ball to sit nicely on top of a candlestick holder or wherever else you want to place it on top of. Now if you want to continue to the next project, which is adding a piece of ribbon to the flower ball, you want to bring out your stem that you took all the flowers off of, and you want to cut a piece of wire from the stem with a wire cutter that's about 4 to 6 inches long, and you're going to bend that piece of wire in half. Then you're going to take your ribbon and you are going to tie a knot on both ends of the ribbon. Now tie both ends of the ribbon together to create a big loop, do a double knot, and then cut off the excess ribbon. With your piece of wire, you're going to put that piece of wire through one of the knots. So you're going to find a little place where you can just pull it through there. You can cut off whatever excess ribbon you have and place a little bit of glue on each end of the knots. You want to place hot glue on both sides of the wire, and then you're going to push it into your foam ball. Now you can cover up the remaining foam with the rest of your flowers. And you are finished! If you like my video, please give my video a big thumbs up hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it.